All right.
This is our Jamie Cooks.
Got all the ingredients. And right now we're going to cook for Cassidy. Cassidy is a little different. More of my taste.
Oh.
Which is fine. It'll all work. You can stand back a little bit, Cass, if you want. And you can.
That's fairly going.
You can even get my face. I don't care.
Olive oil.
We're going to keep that wide open. This one's for Cassidy, so.
Don't burn it.
I won't burn it. Have I ever burnt your food?
Yes.
I have. Most important thing.
You burnt the bacon on the outside of the steaks, but it was still good.
That was the outside of the asparagus.
Oh yeah, you did that too.
Okay, olive oil on a pan, about a tablespoon and a half. We use frozen butter, not frozen, but refrigerated butter. Cut that open with a tablespoon. Keeps the butter from burning. Steak them. Single.
Splatters.
Once you flip it, it starts to get a little bit hotter. We'll let the butter stop boiling. And that's good. Right there.
Brightness on this camera needs to be turned down or something.
Sorry, Cass. Simple eggs. No problem. Fresh ground pepper. Toaster oven.
That's a toaster. Okay.
Keep the heat up. Fully form the eggs. Turn it down. Pay attention. I saw you burn the eggs on the pan earlier.
It doesn't burn. I just don't put a pound of butter in. You have poor cutting skills.
It's a spatula, for Christ's sakes. Over easy? Hot done or what?
Yummy.
Throw some cheese on there, because you like cheese. We're going to let that run right into the pan.
Using individually wrapped cheese.
Kraft. Good have Kraft.
We never have Kraft. Mom just got it because it's on sale.
Hey, whatever works, right? But you gotta have Kraft. You gotta have extra virgin olive oil.
I love olive oil.
Use a fork. Easy, light, medium, one.
I'll tell you what.
It's good.
Oh. Chunk of butter. Holy.
There you go.
Two on there.
Now I know that I have to respect it, Javier, because it's an animal that can kill you. At any moment, it can kill you.
There you go. Steak and egg cheese sandwich.